3-step process to fix 0x800704CF error in Windows. Click on search bar on desktop and search for command prompt. Right click on this and run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Now type these commands carefully. Type net stop WAUSERV and hit enter. Then type net stop crypt svc and hit enter. Then type net stop bits and hit enter. Then type net stop msi server and hit enter. Then type net stop app id svc and hit enter. Now carefully type this path renc:/software distribution.old and hit enter. Now type renc:/windows/system32/catron2.old and hit enter. Then type net start WAUSERV and hit enter. Then type net start crypt svc and hit enter. Now type net start bits. Then type net start msi server and hit enter. Now type net start app id svc and hit enter. At the last, simply type exit and hit enter to close command prompt. Now go to search bar and type Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and run as administrator. Here type this command wauserv.exe/update now and hit enter. Then close this window. For the last step, go to search bar. Then type troubleshoot. Click here to open it. On this window, in troubleshoot, select Windows Update. Then click on run the troubleshooter. Wait for some time. Then select apply this option. And at the end, close the troubleshooter. And restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.